It was good G's. Today we're back at it again, bro. Going to Rozzati's 800K Rideout. Bro, that's enough talking, bro. Let's just get right into it. Okay, we outside now. Guys, this is Rozzati's 800K Rideout. Last time I went to the 700K Rideout with Solo. Sean Fantino was there, but I didn't get to meet him, bro. I never got to meet him, unfortunately, because I got there late. And today we're getting here a little bit late again. So we're about to go meet up with a bunch of the pedal bike boys. Hey! Jacob?
What's good, bro?
What's good, bro? How you doing, man?
She out on the Solari today.
Gotta be a lit ass day, man.
God.
Straight called off of work for this shit.
Swear? Where you working at again?
At Target.
Man, fuck Target.
Yeah.
Shit was good, bro. How you doing?
Bro? I'm good, man.
That's the MX4 or 5?
The 3.
Oh, the 3?
Yeah. Dude, bro, how is this bike?
This is awesome, bro.
It's nice?
It feels just like that, right? Obviously, it's got some more weight because of the like computer and like battery. And think about all the tricks everybody be doing on the pedal bikes. You can do the exact same thing on this.
That's so
but, like,
fucking sick.
You have that.
Yeah. No way. The top speed is like what? 40?
39.
39? Damn, that's
but
so
like,
good.
You figure out like how to ride it.
Yeah.
It's like the most fun thing ever.
Bro, the frame is like perfect for combos. Oh, damn, they killed it with this thing.
On this thing.
Oh yeah, I saw that. That shit was hard. Guys, check out this new trick I learned on the Solari. Dude, another guy just crashed. How many crashes? Yo, I guess we're hopping on the freeway, huh? Alright guys, I believe the ride out is fucking started. Hopping on the freeway. Y'all remember this spot from the last video? City is pretty calm right now, you know. There's not crazy protests going on. Oh, he's spinning. Yeah, I'm gonna get to the front of the pack right now. Oh, nah. I knew that shit was gonna happen.
You good?
I hope so.
You good though?
Yeah, I'm solid, bro. I appreciate you.
Is that your part though?
Which one? Yeah.
Ready?
Hell yeah, dude.
Alright, you straight.
Thanks. I think I got that on film.
Give me that shit.
I just ate shit, bro. Yo, what up? I'm at the back of the pack.
That was hard. My gloves. You good?
Nah, I'm solid. You saw that shit, huh? Barely even felt it, to be honest. We straight. We still riding, bro.
It wasn't like that, but when you get more buzz and shit, YouTube just like finds a way to just take your shit down.
Really? Damn, that sucks, dude.
I'm gonna start posting more, but it's gonna be less like crazy shit, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna be like doing like, I got some crazy ass videos coming soon. So.
Nah, bro, your videos are extremely well made, dude. They're awesome,
like,
man.
Editing a long form, it takes me like over 100 hours. I'm not even exaggerating.
I bet,
but, like,
dude. Nah, bro, your shit's like insane editing. I don't know how you do that shit. All by yourself,
I just
too?
sit there and I'm like, got my setup. I got like 5 Red Bulls and I'm just locked in. I got one video I'm trying to post out where I gave away $1,000, but YouTube like age restricted it. What's your name?
Luciano.
What is it?
Luciano.
Luciano?
Yeah.
I fuck with that name. Fire, bro.
Nice to meet you,
filming
Chris.
for YouTube?
Yeah, I'm filming for YouTube.
Bro, you're gonna
right
be
now.
next up. Just keep grinding, bro. Keep grinding, you got it.
Bro, in 9 months, I got like 6,000 subscribers.
Bro, that's what's up, bro. The one thing I'm gonna say, don't stop, bro. If you're on a streak, don't ever, don't like take a break.
Oh,
if you
God.
feel like you got a lot of views within a week, that's when you're supposed to fully accelerate.
Yeah, it's crazy because like kind of what I've been doing is like kind of not necessarily like copying you guys, but just like taking y'all's like format and like putting it into my own thing, and it works, bro.
Exactly. That's what's up. And like you just always gonna have your own style with it, because it's like,
Yeah.
that's your brand and shit. Like I like doing the skits now because it's like funny and it's
Dude,
just
skits
like,
are hilarious.
Yeah. Like I just pick out the most randomest scenario.
The hustle, what? 5 by 6 to make it do the hustle. Nigga, this Glock gon' tussle. Nigga, my dog no muscle. Any range, my shoe gon' touch. Any range, my dog gon' bust. My Mr. Cream of the crop, exotic weed, man, you know I'm a shop. Griffin now they locked into my eye. Car sleeves, tell them blessed with the walk. All town, got that shit in my heart. I'm flexing the art, I'm a blessed with the arts. Stripping all that, get in the dark. Niggas like me, they stuck in the dark.
Bike life just like at work, and it was like very community based. So.
Yeah, it's kind of like how I am, bro. Like all my life I've been wanting to make some sort of videos, but like gaming is too saturated. There's too many people doing
it's
it.
just too much.
Yeah,
Like,
bro, bikes is like kind of the only thing that works for me, you know?
I like one thing I'll say is, bro, like you could be the shittiest rider, but if you have a funny personality, you could like, you can't even, if you don't even wheelie, just have a good personality, people will watch you, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
I keep the energy high, because it's like, they want to see the hype.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The hype and shit.
Hey, man, you're such
Right
a
now,
cool
I
person,
lost my
bro.
voice, but fuck it. What do you say?
You're just such a cool person,
I
bro. It's
appreciate
just
that,
crazy
bro.
to
That's love,
see you
bro.
out here, man.
You can do it too, bro. Feel me? You can
I'm
be the next one
grinding,
up.
bro. I'm grinding.
You just gotta grind. I'm a guy that's like quality over quantity, you know? Like I'd rather post one crazy ass long form, post like 4 long forms in 1 month.
Yeah.
It's all shitty and like not even like how I want it.
Right, yeah, for now, me, it's kind of like I'm trying to just post as much as I can so I can like get used to it and learn how to
When
do
you're
it.
starting and you're just getting used to like, you starting out, that's when you're supposed to post like massive, like a lot.
Yeah, as
But
much as
then
you
when you
can.
like start getting like numbers and shit, that's when you want to like focus on the story and like how it's structured the videos.
Yeah.
Unless you work.
I'll try, but there's no space.
No rhyme right time with the slugs. No rhyme right time with the judge. We got this, we got all of the plugs. Nigga, all that shit, where's the plug?
Alright guys, so right now my bike's about to die, but guess what? We carried this all day in my bag.
What'd you carry, bro?
Oh, this heavy ass fucking battery.
No way, you could
Yeah.
just swap it like that, like it's nothing?
Something like that. Watch this. Look, look, look. I might have left the key at the Airbnb.
Oh, fuck no.
Alright guys, we got it right here. We just go. There we go. Battery out.
Damn.
This shit's at like 20%. But now, we got the new one, guys. This is what I like about this bike. You can just reload it. Are you ready? Here, click.
That's like a machine gun. You just reloaded that shit.
Remember, show the viewers. Look. Ready? 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 Crew. 100%.
Hey! On down this massive hill.
Every chance I get, fight through the pain. Say it every chance I get down. Every chance I win down. Every time I win down.
So we got Jacob on my DeLorean. You gotta go like 1 mile an hour there. Oh, thing drops back. This shit really hard to pop up. I don't know what you're doing. Bike died, so we're gonna have to turn back. But that ride out was pretty freaking dope. You know, we got to see some work. I fucking crashed. But yeah, I got a little fork guard just snapped off. You know, no big deal. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.